Welcome to your Bigme B13 Color ePaper monitor. This guide will help you quickly get started, master basic operations and key features, and enjoy a new comfortable, friendly screen experience. Now, let's familiarize ourselves with the main unit. Display area, power button, status indicator, power port, Type-C port, HDMI port, speaker grill, 3.5mm headphone jack, infrared remote receiver window. This is the included power adapter and internationally compatible plug converter. Assembly is simple. Insert the converter into the power adapter and gently rotate clockwise to secure. Plug in the power supply and select Type-C or HDMI cable according to the interface of your computer. Now we take HDMI cable as an example. One end is connected to the monitor and the other end is connected to the computer. Press and hold the power button to turn on the computer. After connecting to power, the monitor usually powers on automatically. Power off. Two methods. Press and hold the power button on the device until the screen turns off. More conveniently, short press the power button on the remote control. To restart after shutdown, press and hold the device's power button or short press the remote's power button. Note, keep the power connected during these operations. Double-click the power button to enter settings. Select refresh mode, web mode, smoother web page scrolling, text mode, optimal text clarity. Minor ghosting may occur but doesn't affect reading. Image mode, sharper images with saturated colors. Video mode, optimized for smooth video playback. If ghosting appears, short press the power button for a full refresh to instantly clear the screen. Need to read in low light? Double-click the power button. Settings, front light, adjust brightness, set color temperature, moon icon equals cool white, sun icon equals warm yellow, selectedizable photo, turn off front light entirely. For audio functions, settings, volume, adjust volume level or toggle mute off. B13 supports multiple connections. Settings, input swap, off, wired input HDMI Type-C to computer. On, enables wireless casting mode, waits for device connection. Switching from wireless to wired mode, double tap the power button, locate the casting icon in settings, disable casting mode, automatically reverts to Type-C HDMI wired connection. Wireless casting setup, press OK button on the remote control to connect the Device FI. Ensure the display is connected to EFI. Connect your source device to the same network. Just start the screen mirroring with your source device. To enable automatic screen rotation, settings, gear sensor on. Rotate the monitor to switch between landscape or portrait. Set to off to disable. The remote enables instant access to key functions while powered on. Power button, short press to power on off. Mute button, instantly mute or unmute audio. Front light button, opens brightness or color temperature menu. Use arrow keys to adjust. Global refresh button, one tap ghosting clearance. Refresh mode button, cycle through text or web or image or video modes. Volume buttons, adjust volume level. Most frequent functions are now one-click accessible. Computer setup, Windows 10 example. After connecting via HDMI Type-C, right-click desktop, display settings. Under multiple displays, select to duplicate these displays or extend these displays. Critical step, B13 uses 4:3 aspect ratio vs. standard 16:9. For proper full screen display, select resolution 3200x2400. Ensure GPU compatibility. Adjust scale and layout percentage for comfortable text size. Dual monitor stand setup, optional accessory. If using the dual monitor stand with your laptop, fully unfold the stand, extend the clamp arms, mount onto laptop's top bezel, adjust clamp width, deploy rear support feet, set viewing angle. Align the monitor's magnetic mounting zone center back with stand contact points. Attach securely via magnets. Connect power or data cables. Power on. Enjoy dual screen productivity. This concludes the comprehensive user guide for your Bigme B13 Color ePaper monitor. We wish you a pleasant use and enjoy comfortable screen experience.
Bigme, just for you.